Hello everybody, it's Tanya Atomic and today I'm unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for July. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. You get a box like this full of stuff every month. Here's a little booklet. Tells you about the stuff that you are getting inside. And let's just go ahead and start unboxing. First thing in here is Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. So it's a serum. Okay, this is 40 milliliters, so it's a pretty good size. And this says that it makes your complexion, it adds a dewiness. I'm paraphrasing. This says it adds a dewiness and glow, plumping to your skin. It has hyaluronic acid. Regularly priced $39. Okay, so the other thing another thing in here, the next thing is Butter Lip and Cheek Balm by Botanic Beauty. Let's open this little guy. This is in the color Peach Blush. That's the color right there. So it is a peachy, it's like a peachy orange. I'll put it right there. So it's fairly sheer, which is kind of nice. It's nice for a blush. I am interested to use this. I like kind of peachy orange blushes. I don't really have many, so I'd like to try that. Okay, the next thing in here is Ocean Cleanser from OC. It says normal, dry, and combo. My skin is pretty normal. It's a seaweed cleansing gel with lime, cypress, and juniper. So there's that. So, and it says that it removes makeup. So there's a cleanser there. The next thing we have in here is Ice Cream Hydrante. Oh. Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream by Sunday Riley. I've never used anything by Sunday Riley. It's a pretty good size. It's larger than a typical sample. It's 0.3 ounces. With these moisturizers, you really just use what they call a pea-size amount, and then you put it all over your face. So that will last quite a bit. Here's an acne cover patch. Interesting. It covers your blemishes invisibly. Says to clean, remove film, stick on the area, remove it after it turns white, and replace as necessary. So I don't get that much acne, but sometimes I do. I'll see if it works. And then here's a charcoal daily skin mask here. So, and I believe that charcoal, yeah, detoxifies and tightens pores. So charcoal draws out impurities by the nature of how it works. Anyway, that is it for this box, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.